Alright guys, welcome to Doozer Shop. We are on the Colchester. We are threading the tailstock for the Hendey. Let me back off here and let me show you what's going to happen. I got some clearance there, so the half nuts are closed. I'm going to spin it just by hand a minute. And hopefully, I hope this doesn't hit the camera. I got the camera zoomed in pretty tight. So I've been cutting threads, okay? Okay, that's lined up. I've been cutting threads. That's 2 3/8 12. Let me back it up. I'm going to cut in, let's see, 50, like 52 and a half. The half nuts are closed, I'm synchronized. I'm going to pull the clutch in there. We're going to cut another pass of thread depth and I'll show you what's going to happen. Hopefully no profanity. Alright, 53-ish. Synchronized. Phase converters on. So I shut it off, and I continue by hand and I stop there, okay? That's the end of the world. We're just stopping there. So the next cut is 55. So I'm going to crank that out, loosen the half nuts, go back, reset the half nuts, crank in to 55. I think I was shy of 55. Put it back in gear. All right. End of the world. 55. Back it off. Half nuts open. Go back. Half nuts closed. 57. Too deep. No. Go to 57. I gotta go to 63 or something. Okay, 57. Half nuts in, close thing, clutch in gear. One more turn. End of the world. Okay, that was 57. Open the half nuts. I'm gonna do 57 again. Close the half nuts on the number. I'm at 58. Put it in gear. One more rev. End of the world. Boring maybe. So next I'm going to go to 60. Half nuts closed. Bring her in to... There's 60 right there. I gotta go to 64, something like that. Lock it in. I'm at like right at 60. Everything's locked in, synchronized. One more. Alright. That's pretty good. So again, back off, half nuts open, come back. Actually, it's looking decent. I'm going to measure it. But you guys get the idea. You just stop it early, wind it by hand, and stop at the last... before it ends, and don't crash and don't forget. And I got a handbrake on this lathe. Boy, that thread almost looks like it's right to the number. I got some measuring wires. So I know I'm zoomed in here. So these are 55 thousandths. Josh Topper gave me the idea with the tape is not to lose these guys. So shout out to Josh Topper Machine in Wisconsin there. Spoonerville, something like that. But Josh, cool guy, check out his channel. Yes, I dropped these a bunch and then I used Josh's tip. So just wanted to show you now this is a barrel extension. I got a piece of pipe tubing is going to screw on here so I can use this. This actually is the ram. Quill, ram, whatever you call it, that I'm going to use. So I'm going to measure over wires here. I'm going to do that off camera because it's a total pain in the butt and fiddly diddly. But I wanted to record this for me and for you to show I'm using this same bar as a mandrel, and I got it in the chuck. And well, let's zoom out and let's just go handheld, turn off the magnetic base. And so this is the setup. You can see the tailstock supporting the bar. And this is eventually going to be the actual quill, whatever you call it, ram spindle for the tailstock. And I got it just chucked up there, and that's the lock, the cotters. It's actually locked down there. So that's the setup, and man, I got a 1/16 of an inch when that thing is at full, oh my god, I'm right there, you know what I'm saying? So kind of the fun things we do here at Doozer Shop, like I said, I've been measuring. I bet you I only got a few thousandths more to go. But anyhow, that's that. We'll update you on the next one.